the next module will be designing a ECU. To design ECU, we are going to take up same project because we are familiar with that one. In that, instead of ACC module, our design will be instrument cluster. Right. Whatever the instrument cluster used to do, no? It will have a stepper motor, display, warning, chime, one by one. We will try to do using embedded programming right now. That is the outline. What microcontroller we are going to select and how to study the database, block diagram, those sort of things right now. So we have completed two modules. One is an embedded system basics, which details about embedded system in general. And then the embedded C basics, which gives an idea about how to work with embedded C. By having these two knowledge in our hand, we are going to proceed to design a project right now. That we will do from next week. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Designing means like.
We will write a embedded C program for this module as like a developer.
Okay.
Right now.
Yes, sir.
So we also will design the necessary hardware. If something to be interfaced to the ADC, we will interface. If we have to interface the LED to display some telltales, we will do that. We'll design both software as well as hardware.
Yes, sir. Regarding the peripherals, like some intro, like some session you can take, sir.
That's what, because we have SCA, SPA, I2C, CAN right now. So we will study them as part of the projects. See, if I explain them blindly, theoretically, that won't be appropriate. So learn it with an example. So I will give a project problem statement in the project. To address it, what we have to do, whether we have to use a peripherals or we have to use a port, what sort of peripherals or peripheral that we have to choose to address that one. So we will learn it in that level. Yes, we will give some sort of idea.
Yes, sir. This ADC and DAC and so
ADC is part of microcontroller itself. We will learn microcontroller programming, LED develop, that is port driving, port operations, everything as part of this course. Stepper motor driving, LCD interfacing, those things. But everything will be taught in automotive context. If we want to use it in automotive, the display, how we will use, what for we use. That's why we choose instrument cluster, because it used to have everything: display, gauges, annunciators, telltales, warnings, chimes, everything will be there right now.
okay.
Right now.